A very good morning, class 7. So last time we were doing exercise 11.3 and we have completed the question number 2. Now the next question is, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius and also find the area of the sheet. Now the circumference of a circular sheet is given. So let us consider this is the circular sheet having center O and this is the radius of the circle R. Then in this case its circumference will be circumference of circular sheet, that will be equal to 2 pi r. As you know, r is equal to as you know that in the question the circumference is given as 154. 2 pi r is equal to 154 meter. So put the value of pi. This will be 22 over 7 multiplied by r. So it will be equal to 154. Now you have to find the value of r. So r will be equal to 154 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. So r will be equal to 22 1 ja 22, 22 7 ja 154. So it will be r is equal to 49 divided by 2 meter. Now you have to find the area of the sheet. So area of circular sheet, that will be equal to pi r square. Put the value of pi, that is the 22 over 7 multiplied by r square. So it will be 49 divided by 2 multiplied by 49 divided by 2. Now 7 1 ja 7, 7 7 ja 49. So it will be 2 1 ja 2, 11 2 ja 21. So it will be 11 into 49. So it will be 11 into 49 multiplied by 7 divided by 2. So it will be equal to 11 into 49 multiplied by 7, that is the 7 cube. So it will be 343 divided by 2. So 11 3 ja 33, 3 remainder, 11 4 ja 44 plus 3 47, 4 remainder, 11 3 ja 33 plus 4 37 divided by 2. So this is the area, so it will be meter square. So this is the required area of the circular sheet. Now the next question is, a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase if he make 2 rounds of fence. Also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter, and pi is given as 22 over 7. So let us consider this is a circular garden and the gardener wants to make a boundary over its circumference by using a rope, and there are 2 rounds of the rope. So for 1 round it will be the circumference of the circular garden, and for 2 rounds it will be 2 times of the circumference. So solution, diameter, which is given as diameter of circular garden, that is 21 meter. So radius, that is equal to diameter divided by 2. So it will be 21 divided by 2 meter. So this is the radius of the circular garden. Now the circumference of the circular garden, circular garden, that will be equal to 2 pi r. This is the formula for the circumference of a circle. So it will be equal to 2 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by, put the value of r, that is 21 over 2. Now 2 will cancel out, 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21, so it will be 22 multiplied by 3. So 66 meter will be the circumference of the circular garden. As you know that the gardener make 2 rounds of the fence. So rope required for 2 rounds, that will be equal to 2 multiplied by circumference. So it will be equal to 2 multiplied by circumference is 66 meter. So total rope required, that will be 132 meter. This is the answer of first part. Now the second part is also find the cost of rope if it cost rupees 4 per meter. So cost of 1 meter of rope, cost of 1 meter rope, that is 4 rupees. So cost of 132 meter rope, that will be equal to 132 multiplied by 4 rupees. Now you have to multiply this one and write down answer here. The next question is, from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Solution. Let us consider we have a circle here. And its radius is 4 cm. The question is saying that if a circle of radius 3 cm is removed, then we will draw a circle, this one, and the radius of the inner circle which is removed is 3 cm. So let us consider, we say it as small r is the radius of inner circle and capital R is the radius of outer circle. So after removing the inner circle, the shaded area, this shaded area will remain. So you have to find the area of this shaded area, shaded part. Okay? So area, or firstly radius of circular sheet, that is capital R, is equal to 4 cm. So area of circular sheet, this is the total area of the circular sheet. So it is pi r square. So it will be 22 over 7 r square, that will be 4 into 4. Okay, and this is meter square. Now radius of inner circle, radius of inner circle which is removed, that is small r is equal to 3 cm. So area of inner circle, that will be pi r square, 22 over 7 multiplied by 3 into 3 meter square, centimeter square. So it will be centimeter square, it will be centimeter square also. So remaining area will be equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So it will be 22 over 7 into 16, this one, minus 22 over 7 multiplied by 9, and this is the area of this shaded part. So put the 22 over 7 as common, so put it outside, so it will be 22 over 7, inside the bracket it will be 16 minus 9 centimeter square. So it will be 22 over 7, 16 minus 9, that is 7 centimeter square. 7 will cancel out, so answer is 22 centimeter square is the area of this shaded part. Now the next question is, Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs rupees 15. Put pi is equal to 3.14. In this question, we have a circular table cover. This is a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. AB is the diameter and this is 1.5 meter. Saima wants to put a lace on its boundary here. So obviously the length of the lace will be equal to the circumference of this circular table cover. So diameter of circular table cover, that is D is equal to 1.5 meter. So radius, that will be equal to 1.5 divided by 2 meter. Now length of lace required according to question, that will be equal to the circumference of the table cover, that will be equal to 2 pi r. So it will be 2 into 3.14 into 1.5 divided by 2. Now 2 will cancel out, then here it will be 3.14 multiplied by 1.5 and this will be meter. Now you have to multiply this one and write down your answer here. Okay, so that's it for today's. Thank you.